Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this video, then this video is for you, because I have manifested that this video only reaches to the people who actually in a hope of receiving a guidance from the universe, because we will check from 3 decks what is the current energy, what is the hurdles that we are facing, is there a guidance, is there a support that is actually coming for us or not, any sort of an energy. We will try to check, and this is a general reading, so if this resonates with you, this is for you. Otherwise, don't force it on yourself, to make sure that it resonates. Take a deep breath, connect with your subconscious mind, think positive for the situation that you are thinking, and we will try to first check the energies, then the hurdles, and then the blessings. So we will use 3 different decks. I'm feeling very overwhelmed with the energy that I'm sensing right now. So you guys must be feeling that. Very tired energy. Doesn't feel like doing anything, but still forcing. What is my viewers energy? What is my viewers energy right now? There are already cards on the table, and bottom of deck is 10 of cups. So we will see about 10 of cups, because we will see first 9 of swords. As I said, very tired, very heartbreaking energy, very confusing, sleepless nights. There is something that is making you not sleep at night, overthinking, bad dreams. But I think there is a help coming, but we will see. But because from this card, this is all dark, gloomy, sad energy. And then Page of Swords. You are very capable, but I think in this situation, whatever you are thinking, whether it's love, career, or any sort of a situation, you are very capable, but you are not able to receive your outcome. Justice is coming for you. With Justice card, you are hoping, whatever you are, like, you want to feel balanced. 8 of Wands. Some communication is coming, and that will actually change the world for you. And then I think now it makes sense why bottom of deck. Oh, bottom. 10 of Cups, 9 of Cups. But I will only take 10 of Cups. Like, you are under a lot of pressure, whether from family, career, love, money. Like, it is just crushing you from inside. And if this feeling, this energy resonates with you, then this is the video for you. Otherwise, don't watch it. Go somewhere else, do something else. But if this is your energy, then that is why when I was shuffling the cards, I was feeling that overwhelmedness and very tired energy. But yeah, even in this card, when I was saying there is a help coming, so even in the black negative thoughts, there is a white pigeon. Like, not, I cannot say it's crow, because otherwise all the birds are crow, but this looks like pigeon to me. And with Page of Swords, I can feel that you are very skillful, you are very capable. Yeah, you make sure that your ideas, you have very unique ideas, but it is not coming to materialize. That's what I'm feeling here. But with Justice card, I can feel you have to have little bit of weight, but you are at a point that waiting also does not help you. Like, you have been doing your hard work. Like, I can feel at every step, in every relationship, at every work, at every career, at every aspect, you have to prove yourself, and you are like, I'm done, I'm tired of proving myself. Yeah, but I think with 8 of Wands, there is a communication coming for you. World, that communication will actually bring justice to you. If you are feeling that, there is is there a relationship written for you in your destiny? Yes, there is, with 10 of cups, but it was bottom of deck, so there is so many other. I'm just feeling very heavy, started feeling very heavy suddenly. Yeah, I'm just connecting with 9 of swords energy. I'm just feeling, my throat chakra is blocked. Nobody is understanding my point. I have to prove, each and everything at every aspect. Yeah, that's the energy. If this is the energy for you, at every step, you are actually, like, by seeing the Page of Swords, actually I can see you are walking on needles, at every aspect. The moment you start running, got a message. So a message could be, a message could be coming for you, 8 of wands, and this message will actually bring a lot of change of place. Could be, if you are, trying to change your place. With this card, I want to see what is the blockage, because I can see with 9 of swords there's a lot of blockage, whether it's in terms of, energy wise, or, black magic, or voodoo, or spells. There is some blockage. So we will see these two cards. Go on an adventure today. And again, so that is something, spend time in nature. Let the beauty of nature refresh your soul. Yeah, with the, when I was saying, there is a blockage, so I think you are, let go of the past. It is time to envision a new story. Yeah, with the world, do something for yourself. Like, if you are in a negative energy, just go on an adventure, just spend time in nature, try to connect with nature. That's one thing I'm getting um from these two cards. And the bottom of deck is actually saying let go of the past. I think you are, because as I said, with 9 of swords, there is a sleepless nights for you, whether it is due to work problems, office politics, love life issues. But today is something to do something daring. I don't know what daring means here, because with Justice card, it is something, very unique, very justifiable. Whatever you think that it is right, you should do it. Yeah. Even with a Page of Swords, it is coming, she's walking on a sword, if you see. So that is something actually very daring. So, yeah, whatever ideas that you have, even here, she is holding a sword in her hand. And I think with swords, it is coming that put your words out. Put your words out. Tell your story to people. On social media, whatever you are facing, make sure that it is coming out in a way that people can hear your story. Yeah, people can listen to your story, and that story will actually bring a lot of change. Because what you faced or what you are going through, make sure that that has been heard by people, and people know how much skillful you are, how much blessed that you are. Because with world, with justice, you are blessed with so many talents, but just because you are facing so many responsibilities that you are not able to showcase. Just imagine. Yeah, as I said, here also with the card Imagine, she is actually seeing herself reflection in the water, and this picture is sad, and the upper one is happy. So imagine yourself being happy, imagine yourself being fulfilled, imagine yourself being all rounder, imagine being yourself famous. Connect with the energy of moon, spend some time in nature, and we just had a full moon in Leo. So manifest your energy, because full moon energy is basically for a longer period of time, for 3 days, so you can still connect to your truth be told. As I said, tell your story, whatever you're going through. Don't just keep that pain, keep that suffering, keep that hurt inside you. Message in a bottle with 8 of Wands. There is a message coming for you, and I do want to see, I will check with some other oracle cards, because I was just planning to use 3 decks, but now I can actually feeling to use some other deck as well, to see what sort of a message and in which aspect of life is this message coming. So message in a bottle is coming for you with 8 of Swords, 8 of Wands. That is a confirmation. Space shuffling. Is there any... Okay, this is the last shuffle, because cards are just coming like this. Is there any sort of a help or a support coming for my viewers in their suffering, in their hurt, in their problematic area? Is there any help coming? Is there any help coming for my viewers? Too many cards. Is there any help coming for my viewers? Happy with 10 of Cups and happy. It is a confirmation again. Number 8 is very important, because 8 of Wands, 8. Justice is also a Saturn energy. So Saturn energy is very important here. If you're Aquarius, Capricorn, very important. Yeah. First, let go of the past. Try to do something very adventurous, very daring. Maybe just put your story out. Make sure that people listen to your story. Yeah, so I got 2 more decks, because I don't know, I was just thinking to use 3 decks, but I need more messages, because I can feel, messages are coming, but to you, but it's somewhere there is a stuckness. Of course, there is a stuckness due to, evil eye, black magic, and if you want black magic, evil eye removal, comment down below. I can, provide you the remedy to do it, and it is very effective for sure. But what is the guidance coming for my viewers? What is the guidance that is coming for my viewers? The Hermit. Take time to contemplate, to retreat and go within. Be a beacon for others on their path of spiritual alignment. Yes. Because with the card Imagine, with the card Imagine here, if I, and truth be told as well. So to tell a truth, you should be actually knowing what truth is, and I think that is what the guidance is. So as I said, tell your story. Don't think that your story is just another story in the book. Your story is very powerful, because with 9 of Swords, whatever you have gone through, with Page of Swords, she's actually walking on swords. You have done a lot, but you have not received your outcome. One more guidance that my viewers need to know. One more guidance, Firefly. Be the firefly. Yeah, like in Hindi we say Jugnu. So Jugnu is basically, it lightens up. 10 of Earth, and we have 10 of Cups as well. Golden Retriever dog. Contentment comes from knowing that your finances are secure and your family material needs are taken care of. It is important to honor tradition. Have pride in your heritage and accomplishment of your ancestors. Yes. Your ancestors are trying to help you. Queen of Fire, the bottom of deck. Don't underestimate your abilities to manifest your dream. You may have several priorities right now at your attention, but you can do it. And cat is a very intuitive animal. Here bottom of deck, like this was bottom of deck, but here also justice is. So justice coming 2 times. Saturn energy is very strong here, and with this justice, actually I'm feeling a Jupiter and Saturn, and Jupiter is about to be transiting in the month of March. Elephant, fair decision will be made after all the evidence is reviewed impartially. Have compassion for others and try to see all the sides of disagreement. And here also there is a scale. So yeah, I can feel, justice is coming for you. Justice is coming for you. And it's just not one aspect of, one aspect of your life. It could be money, family, visa problems, relationship problems. From these cards, I want to see in which area you are getting that communication message in a bottle, and if that message is positive or negative, and in which area should I take these cards because a wishbone card has flown out. Wishbone. A wish is granted. Older women, dealing or relationship with the older women. Women can be important. Teapot, deep friendship with somebody of the same sex. Parrot, someone will gossip about your secrets. Okay, these cards flew out automatically, but I want to see in which area this communication is coming. In which area this communication is coming. Star, guaranteed success. So if you are feeling, and this is actually coming more of a career side, visa size, legal, legality, vast secret admirer, and so there could be same gender who is actually your secret admirer. Mice, discord among family or friends. With this business, actually I'm getting a feeling that try to control your emotions, try to control your doing that you are whatever you want to do in future. Don't tell your actions in advance. Yeah, don't tell your actions in advance to anybody, even to your family or even to your friends. Yeah, just keep it to yourself. That's the message I'm getting. There is a cat energy, and with Queen of Fire here, cats are very intuitive, and it is saying that don't underestimate your abilities. But with this cat, actually I'm feeling two-faced person is there. So don't tell your plans, actions, whatever you are doing, because there is a communication coming for you, there is justice coming for you, there is a lot of news coming for you, communication coming for you. If you want to get admitted in some sort of a college, it is coming. If you are trying to clear an exam, it is coming. But when you are sharing all these plans with somebody, it is actually creating a negative aura. Someone is trying to come between you and your friend or something that you want. As I said, I was just talking about it. Don't tell your plans in advance to anybody. Work on it quietly. And then once you have that success star, once you have everything up and running for yourself, then people will already you don't have to tell your success story. They will know what you have been through. So as I said in the starting, tell your story, tell your struggles, but don't tell. There's a card hidden, so I'm wondering what card that message is. Yeah, parrot, someone will gossip about your secrets. Do not tell your plans. Do not tell your plans. And I have a feeling there is a woman involved in this. But make sure that you are not telling your plans to anybody. Work on it silently. Yeah, work on it silently. Yeah, Tower card. Solid foundation, success with effort. Yeah, you have to put a lot of effort, and I'm feeling with Page of Swords and Nine of Swords that you are actually putting a lot of effort. You are doing your hard work, but when the result is not coming, you are feeling very very sad. One thing that my viewers needs to know. One thing that my viewers needs to know. One thing that my viewers needs to know. One thing that my viewers needs to know right now. One card. Parting of the ways in either romance or business. Yeah, there is a change coming, as I was saying. With Eight of Wands, some communication is coming, change of place is coming with the world. A new sort of relationship is coming, or you are moving out of your space. Yeah, there is a change coming for sure, for sure. Yeah, this time I don't know why I'm just getting a lot of questions from angel side, that do this, get this deck, get this deck. So I'm just feeling that angels are trying to send you a message, but you are not listening. Bull. Do not back down from opposition. Show strength and fortitude. Yes. I know it's very, very difficult when you are already in Nine of Swords energy. But don't lose your strength. You are very skillful. You are very intelligent. You are very, yeah, with this card, I know you are very dull, depressed, sad, tired, don't feel like doing anything. But with this energy, I can feel, there is a help coming. You just have to open your eyes to see it. And to open your eyes, you have to have strength so that you can actually see that vision. And with the Imagine card, with Hermit card, imagine what you want in your life next, because justice is coming. Yeah, if this was your reading, because this is a very interesting message, because I have never used so many decks in one reading. But I was just feeling that urge, use more decks, use different sorts of card, so that whatever I'm getting messages from angels are coming true. With Imagine, with Hermit, same energy, justice coming twice in your reading from two different decks. Message in a bottle, truth to be told, Eight of Wands, happy, and Ten of Cups. So I think it is more of a reading for somebody who actually needs it. And you are facing too much pressure, too much responsibility on your shoulders, and you are still doing it with that energy where you just feel like, can I just stop? But the angels are saying that you are very close to your justice. And with the white pigeon, I can see there's some messages coming, and also Eight of Wands. So if this message was for you, then if this reading was for you, or this message that you needed at this time reached you, let me know in the comment section. Claim the energy, claim the justice. You can type in the comment section that I'm claiming the justice that is written for me in my destiny, and the happiness, Ten of Cups, happy. Like the energies in coming in future is actually getting changed, and the change is only coming because you are good to people. You did not do anything wrong to anybody, whether it was work, career, love. You might have feel betrayed, but a change is coming for you. And I think Libra season is very, very important. Number 11 is very, very important. Yeah, make sure that you do some sort of a manifestation. Of course, we have full moon is already gone, but the energy is still there. So do some sort of a manifestation. Let go of the past. I know this video is gonna go very long, but these are the messages that I'm getting. So make sure that you do all these things, and there's a change coming. For sure, there is a change coming. Justice coming twice in the energies, or the reading from two different decks. So Jupiter and Saturn is playing a very, very big role. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Share it with somebody who needs it, and subscribe to my channel Mysticism with Mansi. I'm gonna see you in the next reading. Till then, bye bye.